sikhuluma ngabo referee baku PSL noma kuthiwa favor a big team kodwa ke week in and week out abo referee baku PSL banama mistake asazi ngempela ukuthi bayathengwa noma benza ama mistake ngempela because sometimes wenza i-honest mistake yabo iya rectifyeka noma iyakhulumeka but week in and week out kule league lesibona abo referee benza ama decisions bathatha ama bad decisions are questionable lawa ka trenda ku social media esikhuluma ngawo week in and week out alipheli iviki singabonanga something bad from ureferee ku PSL. I think problem number 1 ukuthi asinaba abo professional referees thola ukuthi banama contract like a serious ne PSL yabo because ngathi they only get paid per match. It's not like a monthly thing that they have with the PSL or ISAFA noma ngabe iphi governing body yabo referee yabo. So we don't have a structure sabo referee base South Africa ukuthi ba protected ukuthi okay ama team owners or management they can't get through abo referee ukuthi maybe ba influence ama games yabo. But ke for mina as a football fan I'm disappointed nge standards se refereeing sase South Africa. Week in njalo siya complain if this week inkinga ye Chiefs next week ye Pirates next week ye Sundowns njalo kuhlezi kunento wrong. Wonke umuntu has benefited from ureferee noma kuthiwa noma yipi team especially ama big 3 lawe so favor yabo benefita njalo wonke futhi ayike engaka benefit yabo. So for mina it's very sad the way kwenzakala ngakhona because we proud ourselves ngokuthi we are Africa's biggest league but ke referee bethu the way abenza ngakhona kuyabheda ngempela. Ngicabanga ukuthi likhona ifan true football fan elijabulelayo ama results from abo referee na the way izinto ezenzakala ngakhona week in and week out yabona makuthiwa favor a team. Sometimes kumnandi as a football fan we say if ngifavor Pirates team yami ibenefit from leyo nto leyo but in all honesty makubuya team yami thola ukuthi azihambeli kahle next week and then ngiba frustrated forgetting that a previous week I benefited from udodi wento yabo. Mobheka a match between the Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch it was sad what happened because ureferee ujajile but in a way wenza ngathi kune VAR uconsulta ulinesman wakhe only to change the decision. Going back to Stellenbosch in ebhadi Orlando Pirates versus Stellenbosch ngifavor Pirates impela le final sasidla ne Stellenbosch ibhola lasusela le yabo bengiyathanda ukuthi siwine icup futhi ngifuna siwine fair but ibhola lasusela la ifoul engekho khona iStellenbosch isono ngayo bakithi njalo yona ihlezi ba on the wrong side nale penalty le abayi overturn against the Chiefs kule season. So zayibhedela iStellenbosch. So angicabanga ukuthi as a football fanatic siyathanda lento leyenzakalayo ku standard of South African football ukuthi week in and week out sesize siba nama celebrity abo Victor Hlongwane ukuthi njalo bakhuluma ngezinto ezenzekile yabo referee abazenze wrong abazenze right. Clearly kunento controversial about ama matches wase South Africa njalo involving ama big 3 isikhathi esiningi. So it's very sad bafowethu the okwenzakala ngakhona but isithemba ukuthi izinto bazozilungisa but in closing I don't see thina siba ne VAR. There's no way siba ne VAR kwamanje asikhohlweni bafowethu but i-VAR yakhonza costa 70 million a season izophuma blow man ngoba sihluleka ukulungisa nje into ezincane but ke sobona sithemba ukuthi bazoba